Hey everyone, the Instant Camera Guy here. My apologies for not having a weekly scheduled video this week. I am in the process of crawling around underneath my house, running LAN cable. Don't know if you guys can see that. The reason being is that I think it would be cool to have some high-powered internet in my workshop. Now, I do have very decent Wi-Fi. Here in Australia, I'm on the NBN. We have fiber straight to the home. My internet is very, very decent. However, my workshop is like a Faraday cage. All of the walls are incredibly insulated, and combined with the tin roof, pretty much means that I can't get any Wi-Fi signal whatsoever. So yeah, I'm running Ethernet cable under my house, through the ground, and up into the workshop. And hopefully that means I should have high-speed internet. Now, what do I plan on doing with that? Well, I foresee a future where maybe live stream YouTube videos are a possibility. I would love to have internet fast enough to do editing and stuff also in the workshop to try and make it a one-stop shop type of thing. But yeah, just letting you guys know that I am upgrading things. And yeah, if you're wondering why I've been a bit quiet on social media, it's because I'm currently under a house. But yeah, anyway, just a little update on things. I wanted to just thank everyone for just the sheer amount of orders that have poured through. You guys probably know by now that I had to take the month of April off accepting new orders because the amount of orders that started arriving at my house effectively became so much that I no longer had room to put anything. And yeah, it literally, like, I had no more space. Now, I wanted to say that part of the reason is I've had a lot of people contact me, get my address, say, yep, I'm going to send over some cameras for you to repair, who have then just not done anything for several months. Like, for those that have been following my Instagram, you guys will know that I moved house back in October. And I had a package just the other day sent to my old address, meaning that the last time that person got in contact with me would have been probably September 2024, and I'm only just receiving their stuff. Well, yeah, that happened a lot over the months of February and March. I was receiving parcels. I guess a lot of people get busy at the end of the year, Christmas, New Year's, all that kind of stuff. So they put off sending a lot of stuff to me until like February, and that meant that my workshop became completely clogged. Now, inevitably, it will become a bottleneck of this business, whereby I am a single-man operation and there's only so much that I can do in terms of working at a decent pace. I refuse to do rush orders, and I pride myself on being very thorough in terms of the repairs that I do, and I consider myself among the best in the world. So that does mean that it takes me time to get around to stuff. At the time that I'm going to be posting this video, my turnaround time is something like 8 to 12 weeks, maybe more, maybe less. It really just depends on the workflow. But I do foresee going future that there will be periods of time where I just have to cease taking orders for a month or so, and that's just the nature of the beast. But hopefully sometime soon, I'll be able to either edit more videos or at least do some live type stuff, or at the very least just be able to answer more emails. Because yeah, if you've ever wondered why, like, sometimes I am communicating to you a lot and then other times I'm not, it's because if I'm in the workshop, my Wi-Fi is so bad. Like, that's why I'm literally under a house right now. Like, yeah, under a house right now, running cable. Anyway, I'm going to shut up now because it's very dusty down here.